A big present for Parker's birthday. What is it? Ooh, put your drumsticks over here. Ooh, let's open it over here. What is it? What is it? Let me get it.
I bring it up the freezer.
Yeah?
Bring it up.
How are we going to get it open?
Yeah.
This was not well thought out. Hang on.
What's that, Parker?
Got this on the floor.
Hey, I'll help you open it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner. I gotta clean it. Hey, vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Let's bring it out. Oh, that's the vacuum cleaner stove. Vacuum cleaner stove. And bring it out. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Oh, vacuum cleaner.
There you go.
Right here. Mama, can you open this?
Open that for you.
I'm gonna open.
Yeah, I'll open it. Right. Yeah. Now, let's have got the bag in there. Okay. You put your hose on. Not like that, sweetheart. No, this one.
Oh no, it's not working.
Not working. How about you put it in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. This one?
Yeah.
That one? Hang on. Where's the heat?
I heat.
Yes.
Heat.
Yeah.
Heat don't put on there.
Does it go on there? Does it go on the other end? Go on there?
Yeah. Right.
I think it goes on the other end.
Hey. I'm playing it.
The hose?
No. Hey.
Wow!
Ow.
Uh-oh.
I put a leg. Put a leg.
For the leads. You gonna plug it in?
Yeah, plug it.
So, Parker, what do you think of your present?
It's cool. I don't have that. I don't have that.
Yep, you're a 3-year-old. You gonna plug that in?
Okay, Parker, wave to the camera.
Don't
Wait.
plug it in.
I'll plug it in.